Welcome back. Now in this section of this course we will discuss SEO for our site. So before we start SEO, I would like to tell you that if you are doing any kind of business, your business will be only successful if people know about your business. So if people know about your business, they will come to you and they will deal with you in your business. Now how will the people know about your business? So there are many online and offline ways for marketing your business. Now, some of the important online marketing methods are like email marketing, banner marketing, pay per click, cost per mile, cost per action, cost per view, affiliate marketing, video marketing, mobile marketing, webinars, search engine optimization, social media marketing, search engine marketing, social media optimization. So these are the different ways for marketing your business online. Now the one that we will discuss here is search engine optimization, SEO. So what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization, and search engine optimization is a methodology of strategies, techniques and tactics used to increase the amount of visitors to a website by obtaining a high ranking placement in the search result page of a search engine like Google, Bing, Yahoo and other search engines. So basically SEO is some kind of techniques. Once we learn these techniques and apply it on our website, so with this we can bring our site to the first page in the search engine search results and to the very top position in the first page of search results. Now for to explain it better, I will go to Google and here we search for something like shoes for men. Now here you can see that the Google display a lot of results for this keyword. This is the keyword that we search in Google and Google display a lot of results. You can see here this is the first page of the search results and there are some more pages that Google have as a search results for this keyword. So here you can see that this website is coming on the top position for this keyword and this website is coming on the second position and this one is coming on the third position. Now why is this website coming on the first position, this one on the second and this one on the third? So this is because of the SEO of these sites. The SEO of this site is more good than the SEO of this site and the SEO of this site is more good than the SEO of this site. So this is why this website is coming on the first position in the search result, this one on the second position and this one on the third position. Now let's suppose your website is also about this keyword and the SEO of your site is more good than the SEO of this site, then your website will come on the first position and this one will goes on the second position. Now how will your website come to the first position in the search result? For this you will need to apply some strategies and techniques on your website, and these techniques and strategies that we use for bringing our site to the first position or to the first page in the search result of any search engine is called SEO. Now if the SEO of your site is good, then all of these rest websites, so your website will come on the first position in the search results and more people will click on your site. In this way you will get more organic traffic from the search engines and you will get more visitor on your site, and in this way you will make more sales. So these are the benefits of SEO. Now I will tell you about the topics that we will discuss in the SEO section. So we will go back to our slide. So these are the topics that we will discuss in this SEO section of this course, like what are keywords, what are the tools for finding keywords, what is keyword density, what is keyword proximity, what is keyword prominence, what is keyword stuffing, like how to write SEO optimized title and description for products, writing SEO optimized content for products, SEO optimized permalink and images, indexing site to Google Webmaster Tools, indexing site maps to Google Webmaster Tools, what are backlinks and what are the techniques for creating backlinks, working with Google Webmaster Tools, working with Google Analytic Tools, and installing and configuring SEO plugins. So these are the main topics that we will discuss in this SEO section. So from the next lecture we will start proper SEO for our site. Welcome back. Now first of all we will install a plugin that is Yoast SEO. This is a very good plugin for the on-page SEO of your site. And the importance of this plugin is that you do not need to go manually and create code and tell search engine robots about your post, pages, products, meta title, meta description, and keywords. This plugin will do everything automatically. You will just need to select what you want just by clicking buttons. This plugin will guide you for writing SEO optimized content for your product, pages, and posts. So for installing this plugin, we will go to the plugin section and here we will click on add new. Now here in the search box, search for Yoast SEO. So this is the plugin Yoast SEO by Team Yoast. Just click on install now and now click on the activate plugin link. After installing and activating this plugin, you will see an option for SEO in the left side of your dashboard. That is here. So from here we can do the basic setting for this plugin. So in the next lecture we will do the basic setting for this SEO plugin. Welcome back. Now after installing and activating the Yoast SEO plugin, you will need to do the basic setting for this plugin. So if you hover over the SEO, here you will see a setup option that you can configure from here. So first of all we will go to the dashboard and here in the general tab you can start a tour to learn more about this plugin and you can view the latest changes in this plugin and you can restore to the default setting from here. And then in the your info tab you can provide your website name here and an alternate name here, and then here from the drop down you can select either you are a company or a person. So if you select company, then provide your company name here and your company logo here, and if you choose person, then provide your name here and then click on save changes. The next we have the webmaster tools tab. So here you can provide your verification ID for the webmaster tools of Bing, Google, and Yandex. And if you are already verified with the webmaster tools of these search engines, then no need to verify it again here. The next we have the titles and metas. So here in the general tab you can choose a title separator symbol. So you can choose a symbol from here that you want to use as a title separator. So I will show you what is title separator. When you search for something in Google, so these are the meta titles and this is the symbol that this site is using as a title separator. So this site is using the pipe symbol as a title separator and this site is using this symbol as a title separator. So you can choose from here the symbol that you want to use as a title separator. So I will choose this symbol and then click on save changes. Now the next is the home page, and from here you can edit your front page and post page. So if you click on these links, so from there you can edit your front page and post page. The next we have the post types. So from here you will tell this plugin that what you want to index to the search engines and what you don't want to index to the search engines. So if you want to index post, so click on index, and if you don't want to index post into the search engine, then click on no index. So we don't have post on our site, so I will click on no index. And then for pages, if you want to index your pages, click on index. So I will index my pages to the search engines. And then for media I will click on no index, and then for products I will click on index to index our products into the search engines. And then for meta slider I will click on no index, and for custom post tab archives I will click on no index and then click on save changes. Now the next we have the taxonomies tab. Now it is very important here to no index the categories, the tags, and the product categories and the product tags from here, because we are individually indexing our products to the search engines and these categories and tags include our products. So if we index both categories and products separately, so it will make an issue of duplication. So make sure to no index the categories, tags, and also to select no index for the product categories and select no index for the product tags. and also select no index for the shipping classes and then click on save changes. Now in the archives, disable the author archive from here and select no index, and also disable the database archives and select no index and then click on save changes. Now in the other tab, select no index for subpages of archives and disable the use of meta keyword tags because Google is not considering meta keyword tags anymore for ranking a site, and also select the disable option for the force no ODP meta robot tag site wide and then click on save changes. Now the next we have the social tab. So if we go to the social, now here you can see to inform Google about your social profiles, we need to know their URLs. So provide the URLs of your social profile here like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and provide all your social profile URLs here and then click on save changes. The next we have the XML sitemaps. Now here in the general tab you can find your XML sitemap from here. So currently we do not have any sitemap, and you can provide the maximum entries per sitemap. So I will decrease it to 200 and then click on save changes, and then in the user sitemap select disable per user sitemap, and in the post types select not in sitemap per post, and per pages select in sitemap, per media select not in sitemap, per product select in sitemap, and per meta slider select not in sitemap and then click on save changes. Now from the exclude post tabs, you can exclude post from sitemap from here, but we can also exclude post individually when we will be creating post. So we can do that also from the post page. The next we have the taxonomy tab. So select not in sitemap per categories, not in sitemap per tags, not in sitemap per product categories, and not in sitemap per product tags, and also select not in sitemap per shipping classes and then click on save changes. So these were the basic settings for this Yoast SEO plugin. Welcome back. Now after you set up the Yoast SEO plugin, there are some basic things that you need to do. So first up, I'll go to the setting and here click on readings. Now here you will see an option for search engine visibility. You can see here discourage search engine from indexing this site. So uncheck this box because this will discourage search engine from indexing this site. So uncheck this box and click on save changes. Now the next thing that you need to do is to go to the pages section and here find the shop page and click on edit for the shop page. Now here in the SEO section for the shop page, click on the advanced setting and here from the drop down select no index, and then from here select the radio button for no follow so that the meta robots may not follow this page. This is because our shop page include all our store products and we are also individually indexing all our products into the search engines, and if we index this page also to the search engines, so it will again make an issue of duplication. So that's why we have to no index this page to the search engine and then click on update. Now go back to the pages section and here find the home page. Click on edit for the home page. Now go to the SEO section for the home page and here provide a meta description for this home page. So I will write, so I have write this just as an example, like we provide a platform for online shopping for the best products from the world. So you can provide a beautiful meta description for your home page, and if you want to change the meta title, so you can change that here, and if you want to change the slug, so you can change the slug from here and then click on update. So now your home page will look like this in the search results. So when someone search in the search engine for your site, so this is how your home page will look like. Now if you go to the product section, and from here if I open any product, like I will open this one. Now here in the bottom you will see a section for SEO. So from here you can change the meta title for this product, you can change the slug, you can change the meta description, you can provide a focus keyword for this product here. And you don't need to tell the search engines about your meta titles, about your slugs, about your meta description, and about the focus keywords. This plugin will do everything automatically for you. This plugin will tell to the search engine about your meta description, about your meta title, about your focus keywords, about your images, and about your content, and it will guide you from here. Here you can see these points, so it will guide you for doing the proper SEO for this product. So we will discuss all these things in detail, but for now I was just showing you these things. So in the next lecture we will submit our site to the Google Webmaster Tools. Welcome back. Now we will submit our site to Google Webmaster Tools. So for submitting our site to Google Webmaster Tools, we will go to Google, and here we will search for Google Webmaster Tools. Now here click on Google Search Console. You will need a Gmail account to sign up on Google Webmaster Tools. I have already created a Gmail account and I have already signed up on the Google Webmaster Tools. After you sign up, here you will see an option for adding property. So first add the URL of your site here, and then click on add property. Now after adding your site, you will need to verify your site. So there are different methods for verifying your site. We will use the easiest method. So here click on the alternate method and then select the radio button for HTML tag. Now from here copy this HTML tag with Ctrl C and go back to your WordPress dashboard. Now from here go to Appearance and click on Editor. Now here locate the header.php file. So this is the header.php file. Click on it. Now inside this file search for the head element. So this is the start of the head element and this is the end of this head element. In between of the start and end of this head element, paste that HTML tag that we copy from there. So after the start of this head element, I will paste that HTML tag here with Ctrl V and then click on update file. After updating the file, go back to the search console and here click on verify. So here you will see a verify button, click on it. Now after verifying your site, you will see a message: you have successfully verified your ownership of freestuffs.ml. So now our website is submitted to Google Webmaster Tools and Google will start indexing our site, but normally it takes time from 24 hours to few days. So after Google index our site will start appearing in the search results of Google. So in this way you can submit and verify your site with Google Webmaster Tools. Welcome back. In this lecture we will discuss that what are keywords. So what are keywords in SEO? SEO keywords are the keywords and phrases in the web content of a website that make it possible for people to find that site in the search engines. In other words, we can say that keyword is either a single word or it is a group of words that we tell to the search engine robots that if someone search in the search engine for this specific word or this specific group of words, so our website is about this specific thing. Now let's suppose you are creating a post on your site about SEO. Then you will need to tell the search engine robots that your post is about SEO, because search engine robots do not know that what about is your post. So you will need to tell them that your post is about SEO. Now in the same way, when you are adding a product into your store, So you will need to tell the search engine robots about the keyword for that product. So if we go to the product section in our dashboard, and if I open any product from here, now let's say you are adding Samsung Galaxy S5 product into your store. So first you will need to choose a keyword for this product. So let's say you choose the keyword Samsung S5. Now what you will need to do, you will provide this keyword here. Here in the focus keyword field, you will write that keyword. So let's say I write Samsung S5. Now this plugin will automatically tell to the search engine robots that the keyword for this product is this. Now when someone search in the search engine for this keyword, so the search engine will also display your this product as a search result for this keyword. And in this way you will get traffic on your site from search engines. Now when you are choosing keywords for your product, so you can also make a keyword research and you can find best quality keywords that will be more beneficial for your site and will bring more traffic on your site. So in the next lecture we will discuss that how you can find the best quality keywords for your products through keyword tools.